Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share Moda Block Heads 3 Alternate Block 18. Now, this week's block was by Jan Paddock, and she has a really super cute applique block. And when I saw it, it was just such a cute block, and I just immediately thought of doing this one for an alternate pieced block, for those of you who don't want to do the applique. So anyway, my block is called the Mini Lily, and I'll give you all of the details now. Okay, so this is the Mini Lily quilt block that I designed for this week's alternate block, and it is super fun to make. You're actually going to make 4 separate little lily flowers, and what I did to make this go together easily and accurately, I did the 8-inch size, is I used half square triangle paper for all of the half square triangles. And I use my simple folded corners ruler for the stems. I have a method of making the stem where you will actually cut a square of the stem fabric, and so you're not actually ever having to cut these little triangles. The simple folded corners ruler makes it very easy. I used for my half square triangles, since they were small, and you can do this for my 8-inch block and for the smaller sizes, the triangle paper by Primitive Gatherings that fits charm squares. So it made it super easy for me to cut charm squares from my stash, make all of the half square triangles that I needed for the blocks in the different combinations. You'll do the red and white and the coral and white, and then you'll do coral and green and white. So you'll actually be doing 4 different half square triangle combinations. But I have it all mapped out for you on the pattern, and like I said, it goes together really easily if you use those methods to make sure that all your little parts and pieces are the correct size before you start putting it together. Okay, I hope you enjoyed getting a few more details about the Mini Lily block, which is the alternate Moda Block Heads 3 Block 18 block for this week. And I have all of the details below in the description, and also some more information on my blog that you can find. And I hope you will subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks so much for stopping by.